Your Excellencies, President Bechirovich, Minister Konakovic, Prime Minister Nikšić, Mayor Kordic, Director Arucevic, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I've come from the U.S. with a heart full of gratitude to convey the thanks of my whole family to the Center for Peace and Multi-Ethnic Cooperation for honoring my father. This recognition, the 2024 Mostar Peace Charter Award, means the world to us. My father was a huge presence in our world, my family's world, and the world at large. My family sees this award as an invaluable acknowledgement of his legacy. Working at the World Bank was the pinnacle of my father's life, and he regarded the redevelopment of Bosnia and Herzegovina as the pinnacle of his work there. Mostar particularly held a precious place in his heart, which is why he and my mother returned here in 2004 to witness the revitalization of Mostar and the rebuilt Stari Most. My family is so thankful that you also recognize my mother's commitment to your country and your people. My parents loved to build bridges, particularly between people from diverse backgrounds with different beliefs. They saw this bridge as a symbol of what could be achieved by multi-ethnic, multilateral cooperation. Art in every form infused my parents' lives. They saw the graceful arch that supports this bridge as an awe-inspiring example of architectural art. My father believed in his words in the need to build upon local traditions and encourage the young to respect their heritage. He saw the rebuilding of this bridge, according to its Ottoman blueprint, as a way to resurrect respect for Mostar's multi-ethnic heritage and reconnect the communities ravaged by war. My father saw this country as a very special place, where people could move past ancient enmities. He first came here just months after the peace agreement, and he warmly welcomed Bosnia-Herzegovina's membership in the World Bank Group in 1996. He was so convinced that Bosnia-Herzegovina could serve as an example to the world that in 1998 he started a World Bank program here called The Children Look to the Horizon. It invited kids, teens, and university students to express their visions of the future through various forms of art, including paintings, essays, poems, sculptures, and computer images. My parents also had the greatest respect for the history of this place, such that they personally funded the restoration of the Sarajevo Haggadah, a religious text that remains a joint legacy for the Bosnian and Jewish people. I wish my parents could have been with me here this past week, as I witnessed the enormous strides the people of Bosnia-Herzegovina have made since they strolled across Stari Most 20 years ago. My father firmly believed that sharing means winning. He would be so proud of your nation's decision to support other countries in need by becoming a member of the IDA donor community, since it shows the progress you have made and your country's commitment to progress. My parents both would have been deeply touched by this occasion and the recognition of their shared devotion to development. That you are honoring my father on the anniversary of Stari Most's reopening, 20 years later, says so much about who you are as a people. a people with the deepest respect for the past and commitment to progress. This is a place that is true to the words inscribed on the Study Most plaque. Mostar truly does not forget friends. Thank you once again.